Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Melissa Delion and I am a personal and fashion stylist in Raleigh, North Carolina. To tell you a little bit about me and the reason why I started this channel, I just wanted to share a little introduction about me and my service and what is a personal stylist and all those kind of questions that you might have. To get to know me a little bit, like I said, I am based out of Raleigh, North Carolina. I went to college at an all-women's college. The name is Meredith College. It's here in Raleigh. And I graduated with my Bachelor's of Science in Fashion Design, and also took merchandising courses and business courses. And by far my favorite course, which kind of led me here, was my fashion psychology course. During college, I had the amazing opportunity to study abroad in Paris, and it was there that really I just let myself fall in love with this industry, and I got to meet so many amazing people. And after I studied abroad, I was able to come home and take that fashion psychology course, and really that was the time in my life where I just started to have a self-evaluation of, is fashion design really what I want to do? That's why I went to Meredith. That's why I studied abroad. I had that goal ever since I could remember of being a fashion designer. But all of a sudden, all of those dreams and ambitions just kind of unraveled. And there was this clear-cut path towards styling. I've always had a passion for people and getting to know people and getting to talk to them and communicate with them and learning about their culture or their loves and their dislikes and all sorts of things about them. And fashion I loved just as much. So after talking to close family friends and family and just kind of sitting there and thinking and wondering, like, what am I supposed to do for the rest of my life? I started to see that, okay, here I love people, I love fashion, I love photography, I love magazines, I love art, I love color, and all of that culminated into this passion and love for styling and getting to know real people and help them present themselves in the best way possible to their full potential. During college, I also had a blog, a fashion blog that I started called Melon Chanel, which you can follow me there as well. It's still there. It's my little baby, and this will be my 8th year writing it. And all of those things kind of helped me come to this place and just lead me to being a stylist and kind of being that translator that takes what high fashion you see on the runway and sees it with their own eye and their own style and is able to translate it into something that any person could wear. And that's what I love. I love being that translator. So after all of that, after my blog and encouragement from my close friends, and just my drive and my own passions, and really knowing what my real talents were, I quit my job being a personal stylist at a local retail store and decided to open up my own business. I figured, why not? I don't want to be branded by this one retailer, and I just want to explore. I want to see what I can do. So I started my personal styling business back in September of last year, so that's 2016, which is crazy. And so here I am today, making a YouTube channel. So some of you may be sitting at home wondering, okay, what is a stylist? I've heard of a hairstylist, I've heard of a makeup stylist or makeup artist. Like, are you one of those? I am not. A stylist has to do with clothing. And there's 2 types of stylists. There's a fashion stylist and a personal stylist. A fashion stylist deals with celebrities, so red carpet events, movies even, you know, there's clothing that you have to wear in the movies, and so some stylists go around and pick and choose the pieces that they want those characters to wear throughout that, you know, show. fashion stylists also do editorials, which are magazine spreads. So anytime you open up a Vogue or, you know, an Elle or any magazine, stylists are the people that are curating and pulling those pieces of clothing specifically for that shoot in mind. So that's what a fashion stylist does. The majority of my time I spend being a personal stylist, though. And a personal stylist is completely different. I'm dealing with real women. I'm dealing with moms. I'm dealing with women who maybe just went through a really terrible divorce and want a little extra pep in their step after feeling pretty low and broken. I deal with women who have had significant weight loss, significant weight gain, maybe even too, that don't know how to dress this new body that they're living in. I work with women who work full-time, that have what I call little time and bigger priorities. So women who don't have time to think about what they're getting or wearing in the morning, because of a life that they're leading, they have other things that they need to be setting their mind to. So why am I here? I'm here to help you be that person that thinks of those things for you, that is able to create that closet you've always dreamed of, or help you find your true style and be the one that goes out and shops for you too when you don't have that time. Suffice to say, stylists have become an affordable luxury for anyone, and that could not be truer. I actually have here a Real Simple magazine from this month, so January of 2018, and in it, lo and behold, is an article you can go check out yourself. There it is. So, a better way to buy clothes, and they talk all about personal styling. It even says here in the heading, personal styling is no longer just for Oscar night. Whether you prefer to have an expert come to you, hit the stores, or do it all online, we're here to help you find pieces you'll wear over and over and over and over and ... until infinity, which is so true. So personal styling might seem like an out there luxury, something that you can afford, but now it very much is, and that's why I'm here. So I thought, how fitting would it be to start this YouTube channel of videos that you can watch for free. All you have to do is subscribe, and they'll just answer all of those questions that are burning in your mind. So what I kind of like is that it's a new start to the year as well, and most people, I don't know about you, but I often decide at the start of a new year to clean out, to refresh myself, to enhance various aspects of my life, whether it be personally or spiritually or physically. We all kind of use a new year as a new you, a time to really clear out everything from the past and start over and refresh. And so what perfect timing to give birth to my YouTube channel. But I really want to use this channel to help you all just reach the potential you that's there buried somewhere, and just dig that up and uncover it for you and help you live the best life that you can through your clothing. That is a very real thing. You know, living for you on the inside is a beautiful thing too. It takes a strong person to live for themselves, but you need to also look like it. I speak a lot to businesses about how you dress can really change the outcome of a sale or a pitch or a promotion, and nothing could be truer. What you wear, people see it without you having to even open your mouth. People see what you wear and they make assumptions, judgments, sometimes not positive ones, about you. And so it's important that you dress the way that you want to be presented to the world, because the world sees it. So maybe I have you hooked. You're listening to me just babble on and you're like, yes, I want you, like, let's do this. First of all, I'm thrilled. Yes, let's please do this. I would love to get to know you and help you find your style or help you with whatever you need. I offer several different things, which you can see all on my website, which I'll link somehow. Like I said, this is my first YouTube video, so I have absolutely no idea what I am doing. But I offer several different packages. I do hour by hour styling, so that is my only package where you actually come shopping with me. I pride myself on creating a luxury service, so you don't need to do the shopping. That's why I'm here to do it for you. I'm the one that goes out and pulls all the clothing for you. So the hour by hour is something special, and especially very helpful for the client who wants to learn and wants to be involved. So I do an hour by hour with you where we go shopping and we try on in the fitting rooms and just have a blast. So I do that. I do virtual styling. So styling packages for those of you that may not be in North Carolina or maybe all the way around the world. I can help you. That's the beauty of technology now. We can just pick up our phones and FaceTime each other. So I've done several virtual styling packages for clients, but am also available for travel if you'd rather me come to you in person. I do full makeovers. So I partner with local hairstylists and makeup artists and just give you the whole new everything. So new hair, new makeup regimen, new clothes, for those of you that really just want to start from the ground up. I do style parties, which are tons of fun. I've only done a few of those, but they're a blast. I mean, you're with your closest girlfriends. You choose a theme that I discuss throughout the night, and we drink champagne and have hors d'oeuvres. It's the best. So I do that as well. And then I do one-on-one styling sessions that I go and do all the shopping for you. I bring the clothing to your home or a studio. We try them on, and then I go do the grunt work and return everything for you. So like I said, every woman is different. Every lifestyle is different. Every budget is different. So I have a package that will suit any one of those things. So the purpose of this channel, I've touched briefly on this, but it is to really show you and help you just kind of follow along on my journey, but also to bring you real material that you need. You might be having a million questions in your head about fashion and wardrobe, and so I'm here to answer them for you for free, which is very nice. So I have my little cheat sheet here. So let's see some of the things that are coming. So some videos that I'm really wanting to record along with a million others. I have a long list on my phone. But if you're curious or have questions about, let's see, what to wear for interviews, that's a great question. What to wear for Skype interviews, that's a whole other thing, like a whole other world that we can tackle together. Dressing for your body type, really important. A lot of women don't even know what their body type is, and you have one, and you need to know what that is. It's like your face shape. You need to know what face shape you have as well. Defining your style. If you have no clue, you know, what is my style? What do I love? Where do I need to shop? We can figure that out together. Creating a capsule collection. What stays and what goes when you're cleaning out your closet. That's a good one, especially for the new year. A lot of people wonder at the start of the new year, okay, I didn't wear this the past 3 years. Do I get rid of it? Do I sell it? Do I keep it? What do I do? I can help that. I can help you with that. Dressing for your postpartum body. My sister sent that one in to me because she had a baby about 1.5 years ago, and it's a problem for a lot of my girlfriends who are having kids. You have this new body, and you don't know what to do with it. Some of your old clothes fit, and some of them don't. Some people want to hide underneath their clothing. Some people want to enhance their new body. And that's a real issue. It's like extreme weight loss or gain. You have a completely new body that you're not used to having. So how do you dress in a way that's most flattering to this new body and this new life that you lead? Dressing like $1 million with a minimal budget. That's also a good one. Lots of good ones on this list. So if you don't have $1 million or thousands of dollars to dedicate to a new wardrobe, how do you use the little money that you saved up to really enhance yourself and make you look very presentable and very appropriate and professional, or, you know, beautiful, whatever those words may be for you? And other videos that I might do are some little behind the scene looks into my personal styling process. I might be using a couple of my own friends, my own clients, my own real women clients, to kind of give you a sneak peek of my process and how I do things and see their complete transformation. I mean, that's kind of fun. It's like what not to wear all over again. And looking behind the scenes at some of my fashion styling as well. So me on set at photo shoots, me maybe pulling clothing for photo shoots or editorials that I'm a part of, all that fun stuff. So if you're interested in any of that, I highly suggest that you subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you subscribed. I'm super excited to start doing this channel for you all and getting to know you. So again, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I know you subscribe somewhere. There's buttons somewhere. I'm pointing at nothing right now, but go ahead and subscribe. You can also sign up for my newsletter on my website, which I'll share below as well. So along with my website, you can also find me on Instagram. You can find me on Facebook. You can email me. I'm going to put all of my contacts below so that you can get in touch with me however you like, even if it's just to say, you go girl, like we got this. I would love those too, since this was really daunting to take on a video. Never done anything like this before, so I was really nervous. But you can follow me on Instagram. I have 2 accounts. I have my personal styling account and then my blogging account. You can follow me on one, you can follow me on both. I would love to get to know you all. And I really hope that you are able to use this channel to benefit your life and enhance your life and live the best you that you could possibly be. So you can catch me later at my next video. Subscribe, don't forget, and I look forward to meeting all of you.